Welcome, welcome, welcome to Let's Eat. Today we're gonna do something a little different. We're gonna take some macaroni and cheese we have for leftovers and turn it into something else. So we'll make macaroni and cheese deep fried. Flour, salt, pepper, a little bit of milk, breadcrumbs, Panko breadcrumbs, salt, pepper, a little bit of Cajun seasoning. Just get your scoop, scoop them out. Whatever size you like. I like to make sure you can squeeze them into a nice little ball, roll them around a little bit so they don't fall apart on you. Put in the flour, make sure it's covered nice. Put in your milk. You can use egg if you like. I just wanted to use the milk on this one. Make sure it gets nice and wet and moist. And just sprinkle your breadcrumbs on top. I did a fruit already. Through them. Do one more so you see it again. So this is how simple it is. Got my oil on and ready to go. So one more time, nice ball, roll it around. So kind of give it a little squeeze so it stays together so it doesn't fall apart on you. The flour, a little bit of milk. Like I said, you can use egg. A little bit of breadcrumbs. I like the Panko ones because they look a little crispy and a little nice crunch to them. So, I got my grease going on and my hot water. Oh yeah. My grease is already hot and ready to go. Very simple. Just put them in very gently. Oh yeah. So all you're really trying to do is just get the breadcrumbs, have a nice golden color on it. Don't plop them in there too. Get kind of close to the grease and just slowly let it go in there so you don't burn yourself. Oh, that's perfect. That's perfect. That's working, and they shouldn't be too much longer, because this is a quick one. Oh yeah, looking really good, really good. I'm thinking 3-4 minutes and they're ready to go, if that. Very simple, not complicated at all. A couple little napkins just to catch some of the grease. When I tell you that fast, I mean that fast. So don't go on the phone, chit-chatting, talking, carrying on. 3-4 minutes. And it's fun. The kids are going to love it. Trust me, the kids are going to love it. It'll almost be like almost like mozzarella sticks, just about. Oh yeah, these are wonderful. These look really good. Cooking should be just that. Fun, exciting, something different. Challenge yourself. Don't get stuck in the same old rut. What I tell you is that simple. It's really that simple. Put it in a bowl. This is an awesome appetizer. You see that cheese oozing out? Oh yeah. There she goes. Yeah, let me put my little green on there for a little color. This is a quick one, y'all. Simple, quick, fast, easy, and fun. I love you. Appreciate you. Thanks for liking, subscribing, and sharing. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's eat.